Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to downgrade iOS 26 to iOS 18.5 without losing data on your iPhone. For example, if you have recently installed the iOS 26 beta profile on your iPhone, and after that, now if you want to remove that beta profile and you want to downgrade to iOS 18.5, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to next is you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS version on your iPhone. And after that, you have to make sure that if you have recently downloaded the iOS 26 beta profile but still not installed, then you can simply remove that beta profile from iOS by simply clicking on the remove profile, because I have not recently installed, so it is showing update now. So if you have recently downloaded and not installed, then you can simply remove that profile. But if you have recently downloaded and installed the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and this time you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of VPN and device management. And here you have to make sure that you have created the Apple developer account. So you have to simply connect that Apple developer account to that sign in option. After that, you will find the remove profile option on these settings. So here you have to simply go to general again, and you will find uh, device VPN and device management, and here you will find remove profile option. So in this way, you can simply downgrade to iOS 18.5 without losing your data. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.